Hello, my friends. Today I will talk about maintenance actions. Why did I choose this topic? Because maintenance actions will determine the calculations of maintenance metrics. In the following video, I will talk about maintenance metrics. That's why I choose this topic. Based on this information, we will able to calculate maintenance metrics correctly, my friends. What are we going to learn in this video? We will learn the types of maintenance actions, the relationship between remove and replace and false verified concept, and in the end I will talk shortly levels of maintenance. As you remember, my friends, we talked about this in my previous video, time domain and maintenance video. In this video I would just make sure that we I don't want you miss this point. As you know, my friends, here, as you know, my friends, the preparation of the maintenance begins. Okay, the first step, and the second step, localization and fault isolation, and then we gain access to disassemble to the fault area, and now we are in the point of decision or decision. Either we repair the item in place, okay, action A, let's say, and or we remove the faulty item and replace with the spare one. Action decision B. Based on this decision, we continue. We reassembly the fifth step. We reassembly, build up, and adjustment, alignment, or calibration. What is needed for the correction of the main defect, and then we end up with, in the seventh step, end up with verification checkout. Okay, as you see here, the important point here, decision metrics, like say decision point, either we repair of item in place or remove the faulty one with the spare one. This is the important point. Assume that, my friends, keeping this in your mind, assume that we have conducted 100 maintenance actions. By the way, before going through this slide, I'd like to mention about three columns. The first column includes, refers to, let's say, organizational maintenance. The second column refers to intermediate maintenance, and the last column refers to depot level maintenance. In the literature, it says O level, I level, and D level, or factory level, or generally depot level, D level. As you see here, in the first step, in the first level, organizational level, we carried out 100 maintenance actions, and we end up with 75 of them should be remove and replace. Remember the procedure of corrective maintenance, remove and replace, and 25 of them system checkout in the end, let's say, but no failure found. Okay, 25 of them. In the intermediate level, my friends, for 45 of them false verified and repair done. 15 of them again as checkout and no defect found, and 12 of them are evaluated beyond the capability, maintenance capability of the organization, beyond the capability of organization, and send it to the higher level, third level, depot level. And three of them, the the faulty three items are found, and they decided to repair it, but while giving a decision, they make a evaluation of economical basis. But they make a evaluation of economical perspectives. They said, okay, it is no longer needed to repair it because the economically it's cost a lot. Economically, it's not cost effective to repair it, and they decided to condemn it. And 12 of them are sent to the depot level, and 8 of them fault verified and repair is done. Three of them, they check out and no defect found. And one of them is again by cost perspective, they found it non-economical, and they decided to condemn it. Okay, when we take a look at the numbers, fault verified 45 and 8 here in the SLSA here, organizational level, intermediate level, and depot level. Okay. 53 of them verified faults. The 53 of the failures are verified. Four of them economically not cost effective, then decided to condemn it. And check out and no defect, the number for this is 43. And when we add the 53 and 4, we end up with 57, which is total failures. And no defect failure is 43. 57 plus 43 is equal to 100. Now, when we decided to calculate MTBF, mean time between failures, we are going to consider only verified faults and items condemned. When we decided to calculate MTBM, mean time between maintenance, we will consider all of the maintenance actions. I think this is the main point of this video. Now, so far, I decided, I gave a brief decision, very brief information about the types of maintenance actions, levels of maintenance, and the reason why I give this information on the calculation of maintenance metrics. Okay, while we are calculating mean time between failures, we talk about items verified, faults verified, and items condemned. When we talk about mean time between maintenance MTBM, we should consider all the maintenance actions. So far, so good, I think, huh? Great. Now I will ask you some questions so that we make sure that we understand, both of us understand the topic very well. The first question, my friends, let me check it out. The first question, there are how many levels of maintenance who is going to volunteer? These are, I will answer. How many? 2, 4? No, you're right. You got it. You got it. 3. There are 3 levels of maintenance. These are O level, yes, I level, great, and D level. Great, great, my friends. Second question, every maintenance action requires remove and replace. An answer? Yes, the one in the corner, you're right. Remove and replace. Uh, check out, no fault, check out and no faults found. Condemned it or send it to a higher level. Four types of actions that we can do in the maintenance actions. Great, great, great. Repairable, third questions. Repairable items are always repairable. Is it true? Literally, they are repairable, but in the end, they may not end up with repair. Why? Because economical reasons. We discard it, okay? Or we check it out, no defects found. It can be, we can execute no maintenance actions on it because we couldn't verify the fault on the main repairable items. That's why repairable items are always repairable term, literally correct, but in practically wrong. The last question, most of the maintenance actions are done in the third level, that is the depot level. Do you remember the numbers? Do you remember the numbers? 75 of them is the organizational level. Only we send it to 12 of them to the depot level. It means 88 of them are carried out, most of the maintenance actions carried out in the organizational level and intermediate level. I think you like it, huh? You understand the concept? Thank you very much. Any question? No. Thank you very much and see you on my next slides, on my next videos. Have a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you share it with your friends, I will be very, very glad. Thank you very much and see you on my next slides again. Have a great day.